Birthday, illustrated by Mathieu and Ernie Kwiat. Today is your birthday. Shout hooray! It's your special day today. Shout it high and shout it low. Happy birthday! Shout to everyone you know. Happy birthday! Let's have a party with a great big cake. It's time for fun, make no mistake. We love the things that make you you. We will celebrate the whole day through. Let's laugh and sing and have some fun. It's a happy birthday for everyone. Let's dance around and clap our hands and move in step to a marching band. With every gift and treat and toy, we will share our love and hope and joy. You are special, sweet and kind, with a gentle heart and a brilliant mind. You fill our hearts with love and light. We think of you both day and night. From the plants that grow to the stars in space, there is nothing better than your smiling face. We love you more than butterflies and bees, or the fishes in the ocean and monkeys in the trees. We love you more than the flowers of spring and the leaves of fall and everything. You make life precious, yes, it's true, today and forever. We love you. Happy birthday.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to